Well, a few years ago, I bought this book to write at the IKEA museum. The first IKEA museum in the world, the first shop of IKEA. So it's just white page. And this morning I started writing. There is no such thing that changed the Western world more during the last century than the change in cosmology. Millennia long, Indo-European culture had a philosophy which distinguished between what happened here around us on the land, the sea, and in the air on one hand, and the infinite, immaterial, eternal on the other hand. So the area of the universe we call space today, once upon a time before, was believed to be of a different kind. Today, we consider the universe to be one and no longer two worlds. That unity had been lost since Plato and Aristotle. Most probably, the mathematical question of infinity inspired the young Plato. Today we consider the land, the sea, and the air around us as of the same origin as the rest of the universe. Not so long time ago, Newton proved gravity was everywhere. Because of that split in worlds, it was not evident to believe the laws of physics here on Earth would also be applicable in that infinite, immaterial, and eternal world that surrounded us. We have a different cosmology since the last centuries from the one we had so many centuries before. While Galilei, Newton, Kepler, Kant all have contributed to undermining the dominant cosmology, the most important shift in thinking came from a geologist. James Hutton is considered the father of modern geology. He came up with the suggestion that the landscape around us that we see today might be the result of a constant evolution. In that way, we learned more after many decades about the origin of our planet. It turned out to be billions of years old. This suggestion of evolution gave birth to the discovery of evolution in many more fields. Important is the book Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. This well-known book has been built upon the ideas of modern geology and also the understanding of how nature works by Alexander von Humboldt. With the birth of modern geology, also around 1800, came the birth of modern chemistry, where Antoine de Lavoisier gave birth to his law of conservation of mass. Together, all these scientists have reunited our universe from two worlds into one world again. So now, I need to write a little bit more. So it's not my aim to, It's my aim to say this then gave materialism, communism, social revolutions, then capitalism. It gave Art Nouveau, but then, well, the workers didn't accept the beauty of Art Nouveau. They wanted something more powerful, and it became Art Deco. It became streamlining, and so that was against the hammer and the sickle of the communists. And so, and then, yeah, we had well, the mass consumption society, the 60s, all these things, the 80s, whatever. And now we come to a point where, well, we should probably love each other more. The human relationship, put it central again. And because with uniting the universe into one and, well, comparing ourselves to nature, and making it very liberal, well, we destroyed some of the beauty of what humans mean to the earth. And the beauty is that we communicate. And so I want more communication. Anyway, I have plans, well, to write this further. And, well,